Namaskar. In our body, since body is continuously working all the time, body needs flexibility to do all our normal natural course, but body needs strength also. So there are certain postures which we should do which involve both these things, flexibility as well as strength. It is mentioned that whenever you do asanas, first bring flexibility. Majority of the asanas, they bring flexibility in your body so that body doesn't break easily. Flexible things don't break, stiff things they break. And so flexibility is required. But then after that, strength. So after doing certain postures, bringing flexibility, then you should do certain such postures which are little more advanced, and you should be doing that regularly to bring strength. So now the names also suggest, so try and lie down. The first posture which shows strength is Dhanur Vakrasana, bow pose, bow. So you see the strength, how Arjun had to use bow and arrow to really face the target, and the most strong thing here is called Dhanur Vakrasana. Your whole body goes backwards, your navel has a pressure, so the energy comes up and you definitely feel more strong and better. So this, breathe in and lift yourself up, breathe out and come back. Now, another posture is called as camel pose. Camel is known for its strength again. Camel is known for its flexibility again. This animal, it can carry on for days together without any comfort. And so here is a camel pose. Here you are trying to sit in that position. Your toes are in and your arms over there, and you are lifting your body upwards. So staying in this position. Here just see your chest has expanded, your core is pulled upwards, your internal organs upwards. Strength of course is there, neck back, so automatically all the glands, thyroid and all other hypothalamus and all such things are activated, and naturally you are definitely stronger and better. So here is the third posture which is called as Malasana or Namaskar pose, where you are sitting in this posture, getting up, breathing in, breathing out, sitting down, getting up, breathing in. We have to do this for some time and then stay in a static posture. And now here is a fifth one which will really help in strengthening your certain areas very well, which is called as Hastpada Gushtasana in a standing variation. Here you have to do fast movements of kicking as if you are lifting your leg up against gravity and holding, and then finally you try and hold your toe, and that's how you should stay. Definitely it would strengthen your muscles and flexibility in any case, because she's doing all these things. So now, for more such do-it-yourself videos, please follow Midday. Namaskar.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.